because of this pandemic situation, everybody was worried about what to do later. And for me, it was really a last minute that I decided to change my career direction, and accordingly, the most important thing is I need to choose some school that is really right for me, starting from zero. Well, believe me, I did a lot of work, checking all the possible schools in Barcelona. First, I decided to come to Barcelona. Secondly, I know I need a school that can provide me with everything, because I started from zero. Not only about technical skills, I also need theoretical skills. I think everything is very inspirational and, most importantly, very practical. Because this is cooking. This is not like you sit in the class, theoretical. This is something about skills, and this is something about creativity. So the approach here, I find, is very inspirational and very creative. I think this is very important for me to build a very creative concept approach since the beginning. For the past 13 years, I did something else. And all in a sudden, I realized, oh, actually, I want to do something that I'm really passionate about, that is food. So, but it's not easy, believe me, it's never easy. So that's why I want to start from a new direction. Then I need a school that can support me to realize my dream. Since zero, starting from zero. And this is a very important decision for me. And I believe this school can help me to realize my dream, to start a restaurant of my own in the future, to share with my family, with my friends. This is my future dream. I can see it. All I need is a platform, a school to help me. Above all, I will say it's about fun. That's all it matters. It's all about fun. You enjoy and you continue, and you have your passion, you have your interest, and then you can realize something you really want to do.